This is the old protection racket at work. Remember the old protection racket? The guy who's got a little store down in the Bronx in New York, a little deli or something, and a couple guys walk in one day in suits, you know, boys.
Suits, big boys.
Say, you know, hey Pop, you know, things are getting rough around here. You're going to need some protection. We'll offer you some protection just for this amount of money this every week. We'll be here to collect. And the guy goes, you know, Pop goes, well, you know, never had any problems here. All the kids like me. You know, been here for 50 years. You know, we live upstairs. They've never had a problem. And so the boys...
Depopulation is about control, yeah.
And the two guys, you know, come in the next day and go, Pop, again, you know, if you'd have bought our protection, this would...
Tupac.
Yeah, the old protection racket. You know, the mob moving...
Do too much. No.
Demanding tithes from the local businesses. That's what's going on. Somebody is going into these states, fairy dust, fairy dust around so that people get sick.
Fairy dust rounds.
What is going on? So isn't it magical that all of a sudden, late November, these 5 states all of a sudden, all at the same time, have surges. And you come to the governor, surge in your state.
No.
If you didn't have to wear a mask, you saw your phone. And then some of the governors are connecting and saying, oh, well, I guess we gotta, you know, we can't have Christmas, a few people in the house. This is all planned. And when I pulled out my papers in February, I said this, those states that comply or will not comply with are going to have
population control, obviously, needs to be done. Yeah. So he said it had to be done.
Causing them to have surgery. Exactly what's going on. What's the old protection racket?
This is the United Nations ratio. Wales. One away in the United States, yeah? Fucking right.
Told them, look, buddy, this is the program. This will be happening. Don't complain or you're going to be history. It's all these congressmen, a bunch of little fairy dust fairies running around.
Fairy dust fairies.
You know, looking for their own well-being.
Yeah, more of them probably want to be too.
So, this is very important because we're right now, we are recounting votes for the federal election and the massive stand in the 2020 election. So
Samuel.
Let me make it perfectly clear.
This
is from a mathematical...
73.9, right?
That I'm just reviewing again, in 2016, Hillary Clinton, for my 3 years of mathematical regression analysis,
We got the heart, all kinds of stuff going on with this stuff. We're trying to control it. Yeah, Tesla magic.
About 40% more votes than he did.
Yeah, boy.
So the voting cheating level of...
They got all kinds of shortwave on there. Oh, magic, pretty good one. We're running out of time. Sorry there, YouTubers. We're running out of time here. We're running out of memory. Here. But we got this brief shot. This is part 1. What's going on behind closed doors? They don't want you to have these frequencies either. I do. I got satellite, shortwave, worldwide, universal wide, and everything coming. Got my own solar charger up there, and it provides inside the feed horn. And instead of being a stainless steel, it's a copper ring. Very beautiful copper. Now, the coils here and the amplifier inside. Constantly gets charged, you know. And this is a mixture of Toshiba and JVC parts that I built. Signs going on, like my power grid.
And this time, for the 2020 election, what they didn't do, what they did not do in 2016,
no. So they got people like me that can do this. Yeah. Oh!